Alright, so just got the ISR Single Exit GT exhaust for the 370, and I figured before I throw it on real fast, I'll just quickly do a quick video for the unboxing. So it's actually very light. My wife was able to grab it from the FedEx man and bring it in the house, which I didn't realize she'd be able to do that. Alright. ISR stamp on that. Came pretty solid and a lot of foam in there. Alright. So alright, got it unboxed. I didn't want to try holding my phone and handling this at the same time, but have the 4-inch tip, stamped ISR, clear shot all the way down. It's pretty light, a lot lighter than I expected. Nice clean welds there all the way. Not for this guy. 3-inch all the way. That's stamped, I like that. Alright, pretty decent welds there. So I purchased this exhaust. Originally wasn't going to do the 3-inch single exit. I was hoping to do a straight dual. So when I first got the car, I bought these Nameless Performance axle back, and I love them. I mean, these sound really good. Pretty high quality. These will actually be for sale. And then I went to do the rest of the car, so I bought the Z1 Y-pipe, which I'll show you in a second, and I didn't have the back section. I couldn't find a manufacturer that would sell just the back section and have it lined up. So after I installed the Z1, this is pretty loud, the Z1 emblem, I'm happy with the Y-pipe. These are not the clamps that come with the Y-pipe. I had to buy those. There's the original cats. And then when I installed it, just seeing the Z1 go right to the factory wire, I just could not stand it. And then for the Y back, I ended up just getting the ISR, so I'll go ahead and install it and I'll get back. Just got the exhaust installed, took it for a spin, and I had to come back and make some adjustments on it. It's almost perfect. Not exactly symmetrical. There was an issue here, so I had to add spacers, and it was touching right there, so I added spacers onto that and dropped it down just slightly, and it made a huge difference. And then it was real tight right there, so if you hit a bump, it's knocks, but it's a lot better than it used to be. It's stiffened up. Was really happy with the way it went in. Did it by myself in about 45 minutes. There's where it meets the Y-pipe. Love this mat. I highly recommend, if you work on your car, to get this mat. I bought it for my wife. She was complaining she needed something to do yoga on, and then she hated it, so I ended up with it. It's perfect. So Alright, I'm not going to be able to do a cold start on this because I just took it out. Had to come back and adjust it. But overall, I'm happy with it. Very clean welds. Pretty easy to install. And I like the tone. It's a lot deeper than the short tails. But not as loud on the high end. It sounds a little better in my opinion. So... Also, before I made that adjustment, it was so close. I thought it was actually hitting that, but it's not. It is tight right there. That's the ISR 3-inch single exit GT.